a little minute since the last little video, and then also just like a POV drive in general. But yeah, man, y'all see by the title, we gonna be in track mode. Hold on, I'm gonna get y'all right in a minute. We gonna be in track mode with it. Hold on. Track. All right, so yeah, man, how y'all been though, man? How the holidays been treating y'all, man? I hope everything good. I hope, you know what I'm saying, y'all spending time with family, y'all loved ones and everything, getting everything situated for holidays. But, yeah, man, we back. We back with another POV drive. Ain't gonna make the video too long, but, you know, just a little something for my new people, my new folks. I'm like wondering why the car is shifting on its own. I'm like, oh, it's in auto right now. I'm so used to being in manual. It's a nice Camaro right there. But I'm actually, while you playing, I'm really on my way right now to go pick up some food. I'm like, yo, I'm about to pick up some food. I'm about to drive the car. I might as well get some footage in while I can. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we're gonna pop this in manual. Yeah, man, how y'all been though? Everything good? Everybody good? Everybody straight? I'm straight. I cannot complain, man. God is good, man. Life is good. I can't complain. You know what I'm saying? Look at this dude. But yeah, like I can complain, but what good is complaining gonna do? You know what I'm saying? It's like I got a car, I got a job, I got a roof over my head. Like, things could be better, but things could also be worse. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just got to sit here. You got to think about your life. You got to count your blessings, man. Each day that you get to wake up to do the things that you want to do. Sometimes we do things we don't want to do, but everything you do is a building block to get you to your next level of success, whatever that is. You know what I'm saying? So every day is an opportunity for you to get better and just live your life the best way you possibly can. This shit don't come with no how-to manual on how to do certain things, but you live your life in a way to make yourself better. Nobody can argue with that. Nobody can really sit up here and be like, oh, you should do this, you should do that. It's like, nah, man. Do what makes you happy. You know what I'm saying? Do what makes you happy, but also, you know what I'm saying, keep it legal, but keep it short, keep it classy. You know what I mean? Do what's best for you, and as long as you happy with doing what you got to do, man, nobody can argue. That's my message for the day right now. You know what I mean? But yeah, but you already know, man, we got a bridge coming up. We got to make some noise. Wouldn't let me over. He wouldn't let me over, so I had to. But it's all good. I love that, man. I love that sound. That it don't get old. Type chilly out, so I'm gonna roll the windows back up for a moment. Hey, bear with me. We almost at our destination. It's probably gonna take me a little while to get through this little fluff right here, up here, whatever this is. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up whenever we get back on the road. I had to give y'all a little outside, you know, what, like exhaust slash outside POV view. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, just so that way y'all can hear the car when you walk outside the store and you know you drive some fire shit, man. I don't know why I laugh like that, but bro, like y'all don't understand, man. For the car people, y'all understand, but for the people who aren't car people, you just gotta have a car to understand, or know somebody with a car to understand. All these NPCs, man, all these NPCs. Come on, man. Nah, let me stop. Yeah, everybody trying to get to where they gotta go, man. That's just life. That's just life. Y'all hear the car chopping? I don't know if y'all can hear that. Like the camera shaking. That's not even me. That's just the shaking from the cam. But yeah, people looking at me weird. But like, I don't know, man. We about to hit the highway here in a minute. I might just stop by Wawa. I don't know. I might just stop by there so I can get me something to drink. But yeah, I don't know. I ain't decide yet, but yeah, man. This is the life living in the DMV, man. You sit in traffic like 85% of the time. You only get like 15% of road. If you know, you know. If you live here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When I tell y'all I am so pissed off right now. That whole like 4.5-5 minutes of footage that I just recorded on the highway just completely just disappeared because my memory on my phone basically said that I ran out of memory. So, and my phone started acting up. So what I did was I turned my phone off and then turned it back on, and now the footage is gone. I'm so fucking pissed because that was great footage. Like, when I tell y'all, that was like, bro, I'm so mad, bro. Like, this is why I need a camera. I'm buying a camera. That's it, I'm done. I'm buying a camera because I need an extra area to store my memory and whatnot. But yeah, it is what it is. Tell y'all something real quick. So like I did stop by Wawa, by the way. Tell me why I went in there and I see a dude coming out the women's bathroom. I'm like, what are we doing? Oh, a man. It wasn't no janitor. Before y'all get in the comments talking about, it might have been a janitor or he probably worked there. Nah, it was a customer. This man walked out of the women's bathroom. I'm just like, what are we doing? Nobody not gonna say nothing. But I mean, then again, I mean, it's 2025 now. You can't even, you gotta be careful with how you say certain things and where you say it and who it applies to nowadays. You gotta be careful with stuff like that.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
But yeah, man, that's gonna be it in this video, man. It's just a quick video. You know what I mean? It wasn't gonna be long anyway, but yeah, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Yo, give me some ideas, man. I'm serious. Give me some ideas in the comments. For real. Like, I'm gonna keep doing what it is I feel like y'all want to see, which I appreciate y'all. Y'all want to see this. I mean, keep it up. You know what I mean? Let me know. But you know what I'm saying? I want to bring something new to the channel. You know what I mean? So if y'all got ideas, feel free. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Or otherwise, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. ChatGPT don't be giving out some bad ideas, but we gotta keep it realistic. We also gotta keep it somewhat modest. So yeah, but y'all let me know, man. I love y'all, man. Like always, it's your boy Zeus. I'm out, man.